Subsoiling is another job frequently associated with crawlers. This early Caterpillar D5 is working with a 5-leg Tim Howard Engineering Maxi-Lift in a field of wheat stubble on relatively light land. This D5 is an earlier example than the others seen in this programme, dating from 1977, just prior to the production of the D5B. It's a special application 62J series agricultural version made in France and is fitted with an earlier design of Westload engineering cab and 3-point linkage. The D5 was a new model line introduced in the late 60s to replace the D6B. By the time this one was made, the 10.5-litre 3306 engine was being fitted and was rated at 105 horsepower in naturally aspirated form, although this one is also turbocharged, presumably by Levertons, to produce around 120 horsepower, bringing it up to D5B spec.